Hello everybody, welcome to Adopt Me. New updates. All the eggs are not in the game anymore. Collect the new eggs claimed as fossil eggs, which are going to be so cool to try. And of course, we are going to go through the whole thing from episode 1 to this future episode, because I did this really hard. Again, I'm really feeling sorry for myself. So this can't be garbage to me after I'm done making a video about it. So I'm going to do it again, and this is going to be the final and the first reveal for the fossil egg and the final Adopt Me series. We have started long time Adopt Me series, so there's going to be other games interested on the next video. Anyways, yeah. So the claim that's fossil eggs. It's gonna have fossil eggs. Yeah. Let's see in our inventory. As we said, this, blah blah blah. Put that there. Should we accept this trade? I'm so excited. Alright. Ooh, let's trade this guy. I accept this trade? Yes! Alright. Buy some. Yay! Alright, so let's crack the eggs. So we'll get... Okay, let's crack this. Alright guys, we got the fossil egg. We got a T-Rex! We got a T-Rex! Alright, let's see what we get next. Okay, let's put this. Huh? Oops, we have one down. We have the props. Wait till this one-wheeled player bug on our robots will make this production alive, okay? We got it! I hope you like it. Please subscribe and like, share, and give it